this as I come in. It's absolutely spectacular. I mean, I'll say a few thank yous today, but Golding Vision, which is an arm of Golding Homes, originally set a bit of a challenge to try and knit some poppies for today's event, and they set an incredibly ambitious target of 5,000 poppies to be knitted or made that's made up this amazing display today. I'm sorry to say we didn't actually hit the 5,000 poppy target. Instead, we've managed to produce 9,795. We have many different members of the community help us put this together. Lots of people coming together, getting their knitting needles out and producing these poppies in so many different ways that gives us this almost piece of art. I mean, talking to Alex, it's reminiscent of Poppies on the Breeze, which I think is a really fantastic description of it. What I'd like to do now is just to say a few thank yous for all of those people that we've partnered with. Thank you very much to Involve and their knitting groups, Hobbycraft Maidstone for the workshops, but especially the discounts. The local schools, but especially Greenfields Community Primary and Archbishop's Courtney. Maidstone and Mid-Kent Craft Group, Mindcraft Group, Kent History and Library Centre, Fusion Healthy Living Cafe, Abacus Furniture Shop, Alex Gurr, and a team at Maidstone Museum. And sitting next to Pat is Audrey. Audrey's not expecting me to say this, so many apologies. Audrey managed to prop up and knitted over 1,000 copies. I hope this is something we can all be proud of. It is absolutely incredible. And at this point, I'd like to hand you over to the Mayor of Maidstone.
Honoured and privileged to be here today and see such a fantastic community project. And I think we must thank Golding Homes, a round of applause years ago, and they do a lot of things in the community, and for them to actually get this going and have all these people and the schools, I'm very impressed that this is a proper community project. And I'm amazed and gobsmacked at how many you've got, and there's so many different varieties, and the different colours explain the different things about what's going on and people's attitudes to it, and I think that's what you've managed to capture. And I did notice this little gold one here, right in the middle, so all these things mean different things to people, but the thing is, what we're doing here is remembering, and it's 100 years, and I know it's particularly the First World War, but 100 years ago all these things happened. Most of us wasn't there. But it's the remembrance of what they did for us, and that's what we do every year. And I'm very impressed to be here today and see this in awe of it, and we're going to promote it as much as we can. So I want the whole of Maidstone to come in here and see what's actually been happening in the community. You have to see it to believe it. So hopefully we'll have a lot of people in here this week, and I don't know how long it's planned to stay that after, but Maidstone Borough Council will be promoting it. And it's nice to see a couple of veterans here as well invited today. It just adds to it. That we have veterans here as well to see it, and they can go back and say that what the community's done in Maidstone. So I'm very, very impressed, honoured to be here, and what we will do next year, the capital, I don't know, but hopefully we will, because it's just the involvement of the community in it. It's just not a little group of people, and there's always one that goes on. My mum would have done if she could still knit as well, but the thing is, it's what people do to contribute to something like this, and I'm absolutely in awe of it. And I'll give you a round of applause, and thank you very much.